Solid, nigga. Real street, nigga. 100%, 110%. Ain't no cut on this shit, nigga. This shit blue magic, nigga. Like Frank Lucas, nigga, on God.
What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Young Flex and this motherfucker Young Kase in this bitch. Young Chizzy Chake, Young Chizzy Toot, Young Pissy Pate, Young Flexy 2, Young PB Case. You already know who it do, what it be, what it do. Know what I'm saying? Y'all already see it in the title what type of prank this is. I'm about to get my nigga Josh again. That was weird. But yeah, man, I'm about to unplug his PS4 basically for him. Cause my dog stay on the game. This man don't do shit. We grinders though, you feel me? You can follow us on Twitch and shit. But I'm basically about to unplug his PS4 while he's playing 2K. And y'all know how we feel about 2K. Y'all know. Y'all know. We hate it. We love that game to the bone. So I'm basically about to unplug his game. You already know how he go react 9 times out of 10. And we about to get into it, bro. Play, bro. I'm gonna try hard.
That's all right. Wow. Bro, you good?
Hey, bro.
You want to freak this dog first, bro?
Get your dub, nigga. So, come on, dude.
Oh, block. Up. Come on. Jesus. What street? Oh, you on game chat. Got him. Like, you lucky I made it.
You're not living like that, bro. You are not living like that.
Watch out.
You got the bitch in your hand,
Out of here.
You gotta live it like that, bro. Yeah, nigga. Ain't playing. Garbage. Okay?
Ours. Come on.
We're not living like that.
I know how to smell them now, but you gotta wait until they stand still.
He got the. Give it to me. I need this. Been too long. Been too long.
What? You lagging? What the hell?
Shop.
What Wi-Fi you on? You on the hotel? Oh. Sad, man. You went to a B&B?
Where's he go?
Watch out.
I'm not as fuck.
Fuck.
I need this.
Foot, he's out of bounds. Come on. You good.
I'm chilling, bro.
Please don't pull us.
Nah, I ain't living like that.
Hold on. Let's go.
Okay, hammer time. Well, let me see, bro. Nah, hammer time.
Hey!
You're the reason why your dog got wet.
Watch out, bro. Sick man.
Damn, boy, it's hotter than the bed. What the fuck?
Green!
Oof. It'd be a hot. You ain't living like that.
Shut up.
I'll make you lose right now.
Chill out. I'm always gonna go. He's trying hard, bro. I'm not trying to get the momentum up. Hey!
And you missed.
Come on.
This is the clutch.
That's all. Bro, what's up with you?
That was your fault. Don't blame me. Do not blame me on that. No, he got your ass. He gone.
No,
He's faster than it is.
I'm here, bro.
That's a shot.
That's it. You missed. Come on, bro.
You not living like that. Yeah,
you
not living
missed.
like that. Yeah,
Oh, you got
not living like
it,
that.
bro.
You the main reason why your dog got whacked. Before I chase a bitch, I'd rather chase the yak. That's a block.
Give me that. Oh, wow.
You a little boy.
You press triangle? No, bro. It's crazy. I'm here.
Yeah, you're there, right?
Step. Yeah. This
Why you playing defense like this?
This nigga got me, right? Damn.
Spin him.
I'm here. You're steal.
I'm a coach, kid. I'd have pulled that shit. That's a shot.
Green.
I see you, baby. I see you. Green bean. Wet like water.
Sir,
That game. I thought catching doves.
He's tough.
One play.
Fuck out of here.
I want to play, bro. I don't see play. Maybe I'm pissing you off. That's your business.
Chill out.
I'm gonna play. I ain't gonna cut. You play the game, bro.
Wait your time,
What do you mean? Wait one time. I'm tired of waiting.
What do you mean?
We need that.
I don't like it. Up with you. Bro, give me the remote.
Nah.
Give me the remote.
Nah.
Give me the remote, bro. Give me the remote, bro.
You ain't getting no more. You ain't getting no bitch. You ain't getting Alright, bro. Alright, here.
What's wrong with you?
That's your luck. You can't shoot free throws. Let me get a shot.
Hey!
Around the rain, the wool, right.
Oh, no,
What? Play, bro. No cap,
oh, it's
bro.
straight. Oh, my God.
Did I go like this?
Wow. I got you after this, but
Did I go like
fuck out
that,
of here. Hell no, bro. I swear. Go read. Don't do it. You good?
You good, son? Bro, I'm getting beastie. I'm getting shot.
Hey! Move, bro.
Why? My fault, man.
Watch out.
I'll make you press go on purpose. Say I won't plug it right now.
Fuck, I'm stuck. Hold on.
Say I won't plug it right now. Say I won't.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just because you're not living like that.
Not even, bro.
They're fucking stretches. They're 2 stretches?
It's stretching the glass.
Oh. Stretch is fucking garbage. As long as you don't get the ball.
Oh. That's off, bro. I knew it.
Yeah, I knew you wasn't living like that.
I did it too early. I knew it was perfect timing, bro. I tried to go for a green.
How you an off-balance shooter and you ain't take an off-balance shot?
Hey. Oh, that's off, bro.
That's
You
off.
greened it.
You garbage.
That was a 2, though. That's why.
That was a 2? They bucked him.
They're gonna be playing the same shit. You ain't catching it.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
he's sold. It's crazy, bro.
I don't want to plug it right now.
Bro, relax, bro.
Let me relax.
Relax. I'm here. Hell no, bro. I swear. What?
You ain't living like that, that's why.
Bro, that's a hand in this man's feet. Oh, you got it.
Throw all the gold in your bill sack. Yeah, you lost. Ain't none. Ain't none.
Oh, you got it.
Sound won't play right now. You got to replay.
Bro,
You're not living like that.
bro, this nigga pissing me off, bro.
You're not living like that.
He's greening, bro.
I got you, bro.
I'm spamming him, bro. Fucking relax!
I'm sorry, bro.
Bro!
So wait, you was losing already. You was losing. I just ended
Why?
off. I ended off the pain, bro.
Why?
I ended off the pain.
Why?
I ended off the pain.
Why?
So you was losing. So
What
what
is
you mean?
wrong with-
Oh wait.
wrong
It
with
was
you?
a prank, bro.
What's wrong
It's a
with
prank.
you?
It's a prank. It's a prank. Right there, bro. The camera right behind you, cuz.
Bro.
God damn, boy. That's why you lost now.
Oh my
Bitch.
God. This nigga dying.
You ever day in your life touch me like that, boy? I was playing. On my mama.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Yeah. Bro.
You got that. You got that. You got that. You got that.
Oh.
You got that. Hey! Episode of Gang. Y'all already know what it is, B. Well, y'all already know how I got him, man. This nigga's a fucking beast. I ain't gonna lie. But, bro, it's hot as balls in this nigga shit, bro. The nigga AC broke in the room. Oh, my gosh. But, hey, man, I got that boy fully with the prank, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know how we roll for a gang. Y'all already know how we rock. Y'all already know how we do. I'm about to cut this shit off because I look like a seller sick. Nah, that ain't happening, son. But, hey, man, for our game, we on top. 800 subs coming soon, B. Y'all already know what's popping. Let me see if Josh want to say anything to the camera, because I done caught me a fully duck. I done caught me a duck, y'all. Let me see what he's saying, though. I done caught me a fully duck. Throw it up for the game. Throw it up for the game. Josh, throw it up for the game. You already know.
I just lay down in my bed, fuck it. Wop skin wax if I want them dead, and I'm like, yeah, fuck it.